What type of content actually drives engagement? It's not just about posting pretty pictures or using fancy video tricks. People want to feel something when they engage with your content. They want to be inspired, informed, or entertained. So if you're wondering what type of content you should be posting, think relatable, valuable, and interactive. Content that tells a story, sparks emotion, or solves a problem. That could be a short-form video, a behind-the-scenes clip, user-generated content, or even a personal story. But whatever it is, make sure it's relevant to your audience and provides some sort of value. Polls, questions, and carousel tips also do really well because they invite people to participate. They want to be heard, so give them a chance to share their thoughts. Now, once you've created your masterpiece, don't forget to promote it. Use the shareable text and visuals to get the word out. And most importantly, be consistent. People want to know when to expect new content from you, so establish a rhythm and stick to it. If you're still feeling stuck, there are plenty of tools and resources available to help you create engaging content. So don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with it. After all, the more you post, the more chances you have to connect with your audience and the algorithm. So happy creating!